So somebody was watching another spiral and asked could I do an accordion that's then spiraled. I've done something like that before, but it was an accordion that spiraled and reaccordioned. Yeah, all in one tie. And that one, it's not really what I thought it was going to turn out like, and I don't really think it's that good. So let's go ahead and revisit the accordion spiraled, and we'll call it an accordial. I'm going with accordial, and it's mine, and you can't take it from me. Alright, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. I am cheating and going with a small shirt because I am not good at full width accordions. I'm really not good at full width accordions. So I much prefer a half a shirt and do it that way. So let's go ahead and accordion our way up. I don't know if I already said it, but it is already turned inside out. So I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm just going to do an accordion. Alright, since I seem to have it going pretty much okay, I think I'm going to focus on this one side and then come back and do the other side. Alright, let's put that there to hold that. So let's just go ahead and get a bunch of those ready. And I will pull this out the rest of the width. So do I tie this? Because if I tie it, then I can't really roll it on itself very well. So I don't think I'm going to tie it. I think I'm going to leave these rubber bands as is, and we're just going to spiral up. Probably the opposite direction than you think I'm going to. So it looks like it would be easier to spiral this in and then pull this around than it would be to spiral this and this. That looks like that would cause this weird little headache here. So let's go ahead and do it this way. I know this isn't technically a spiral, but the whole thing is technically a mess right now. So let's see how this turns out. Honestly, I need to start doing shirts that don't have collars. Alright. I just need one of y'all to come through the screen and put a rubber band on this for me. That is barely holding. So let's grab another one. Do I have any more of those? Not sure this is tight enough. Hold on, let's do these. It's going to be harder to pull over, but it'll keep it tighter. I can move my hand on that side without too much problem. Okay, interesting. That's interesting. Okay, it's not horrible. Some of the lines are actually pretty good in there. Some are not. I don't want to die from this side because of this large pile of mess in here. That's what it looks like. Off to die. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go with Fire Red, Deep Orange, Lemon Yellow, Forest Green, Bluebird, and Power Berry. And these are all from Dharma. So I'm going to go ahead, oh, I did push that in from where it was before, so it's a little flatter. Go ahead and do it in a bowl, and we'll just turn this into a muck dye. So, also, I decided to go ahead and do a zigzag pattern instead of just doing it as sections. I think that should work better on this. We'll see. So let's go ahead and dye this and then drop it in there. Let that melt through, and probably come back with some soda ash and then melt just a little bit more through. It's been about 36 hours. Let's wash this out. Alright, here's first look. Go throw this in the wash, and we'll take a final look. Here's the front. Here's the back. Not what you thought would happen, is it? Yeah, the accordion that's then spiraled. Okay, if this isn't what you had in mind with doing an accordion that you then turn into a spiral, my apologies. That's how my brain took it, was the literal request. Let me know down below if you didn't mean to do it this way. But anyway, this is what I saw requested. So here we go. Overall, I mean, colors look good except for the poopy brown that showed up here. Yeah, poopy brown shows up every once in a while. Otherwise, it looks okay. There's inconsistencies with the white versus no white. This did sit a really long time. It was probably 36 hours. I got distracted and didn't get back to it. So that has a fair bit to do with all the extra saturation in it. It is bright though, I'll say that. Alright, let me know down below what you think. If you have any suggestions, comments, any of that stuff, let me know. Until next time, thanks for watching.